Hello everybody, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Punjabi sweet lassi. This is prepared from thick curds or dahi and sugar, adding very few additional natural ingredients. Summer is here and I'm sure you all are looking forward to having that tall glass of sweet lassi. So let us see how to prepare this easy, tasty lassi. Over to our kitchen now. So here we have taken 2 cup thick chilled curd. Now we are adding half cup chilled milk. Milk gives a nice texture and taste to the lassi. Next in goes the 1/4 cup sugar. Now 1/4 cup ice cubes, this is optional. Half teaspoon rock salt. You can use a mixer or hand blender or even a whisk. We prefer to use this traditional churner. So churn very well. This kind of churning gives a nice texture and taste to the lassi. Now we have been churning for 4 minutes and now we have added half teaspoon cardamom powder or elaichi powder. Next we are adding half of the total chopped nuts that we have taken. The remaining half we will use for garnishing. And now let us churn again for 3 more minutes. Now our lassi is all ready. Let us serve it and show it to you. See the perfect texture of our lassi. Now I am going to garnish it with the rest of the nuts that we had reserved and a few strands of kesar or saffron. This is again optional. Now we are adding half teaspoon rose water, quarter teaspoon in this glass and quarter teaspoon in that. This is again optional, but it gives a nice traditional taste of the Punjabi lassi. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe of lassi. Do serve it to your kids, they will surely enjoy it. Also don't forget to check out our summer drink playlist. Mango lassi, mango fruity, thandai, lemonade, ginger lemon juice, and our next video is going to be aam ka panna. So bye for now. See you soon with another video. Take care.